everyone, welcome to the channel. So today I wanted to do something a little bit different. I wanted to do just a really quick meditation grounding exercise, and I have my little friend here. This is a let's call it rainbow, but snowflake obsidian crystal skull, and I really like these things. I don't know what it is. I just think they're really cool. And this one is one of my larger, almost my largest one. And I was informed it actually had a name, and its name was Arnold. So Arnold is going to be assisting me today in doing this very quick grounding meditation exercise. And so if you do have crystals, especially quartz crystal or some other kind of rocks that are really good for doing grounding or anything like that, then I highly recommend using them right now for this exercise. And if you don't have anything like that, that's perfectly fine. Then you can do that without anything extra. Just make sure that you are seated comfortably and you can sit up straight. And let's go ahead and get started. I'm actually going to turn Arnold around, because with these things and with crystals as well, if they have a point, or in this case the face, whatever direction it's pointing towards is the direction the energy will go towards. So I'm just going to hold Arnold facing me, and we're just going to close our eyes and start taking nice deep breaths in and out. You want to feel your stomach expand when you breathe in, and then contract when you breathe out. And we're just going to envision clean, white, light air coming in when we breathe in. And whatever has been used and no longer serves us, just imagine it being kind of like dirty dishwater color air. Breathe that out nice and fully. If you're sensitive to energies, particularly crystal energies, and I am sensitive to such energies, you can really tap into that and really feel that, especially while you're doing this type of exercise, where you're just, really feeling things and trying to pull in good energy and push out bad, used up energies. You can really pull the energy from whatever crystals or rocks, or in my case crystal skulls, that you are using. You can really pull that through your body, and it should have a very peaceful, good feeling if you do that. If you do not believe in energies and things of that nature, then for this exercise, just imagine perhaps pluses as you breathe in and minuses as you breathe out. If nothing else, just maybe imagine yourself in whatever, wherever your happy place is. Just imagine yourself there and take these deep breaths. Just allow yourself to feel at ease. Okay, and just imagine yourself kind of coming back into, feeling your senses and your body and everything. And we're just going to go ahead and open our eyes. So let me know what you thought about that exercise, if you liked that exercise or you thought it was just, really kind of weird, or, just what your experience was. If anything happened, like you had any kind of interesting feelings, sensations, insights, anything like that, just go ahead and let me know. I would be very curious to know if anything unusual happened. At the very least, you should feel nice and relaxed and just feel a lot better than you may have before you started the exercise. That was, my whole intention, if nothing else, was just to make sure that you got to that point at least. I mean, even personally, I was kind of very much stressed out before I started this exercise, but I do feel just so much more grounded and not nearly as stressed out as I did before. And so I definitely have to say this exercise was quite effective, at least for myself, and hopefully for you as well. So yeah, just like, subscribe, hit the notification bell if you do subscribe so that you're notified whenever I put out a new video. I put out new videos every single week, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.